In this episode, we explore how trust grows when couples translate doubts into transparent conversations rather than snowballing assumptions. In a real-life scene, one partner notices a late message and chooses curiosity over accusation, asking calm questions. Experts explain that a light touch of vulnerability paired with consistent follow-through builds safety, while missteps erode it with blame. A practical repair ritual follows an argument, including an immediate cool-down, a sincere apology, and clear agreements on future behavior. By the end, viewers learn a step-by-step framework for addressing jealousy, setting boundaries, and strengthening emotional intelligence.